Alright, welcome back, Bug. This time we're going to create a moat, but it's going to be adjustable. So its length and its width and its length are going to be different, and we can choose them to be different. We're going to pick our own values first, and then we're going to let the user pick them. So let's get started. As you can see, we're going to start at going down by 1 right here, alright? Digging down, going down, and then going X amount that way. But remember, because we already dug down once, we need to adjust this length by adding a -1. So if the variable is W, we take 1 away, and that will make sure that our length or our width this way is adjusted accordingly. And then we're going to do the same thing this way, because when we dug all the way here, we took away from 1 away from the lengthwise this way. And so that way when we go forward and dig, it's L -1. And I'll show you what I mean, okay? So let's get started. Let's create that program. So edit, adjustable moat, and we're going to start with digging down. So turtle dig down, and then turtle dot down. That's the first step. And then we're going to do, these are our actions for the rest of it, and they're going to be, let's see, variables first. Okay, so we're going to do the width, going to be 4, and the length is going to be 3. All right, a 4 by 3. And then here we go. Okay, so now we've already dug down, so we're going to go forward, and we're going to do X amount of actions repeated. So we can use a for loop. So for I equals 1, and then we're adjusting for that 1 square that was already done, that was already dug. So we're going to put the width -1 do, then we're going to dig in front of us, turtle dot dig, then turtle dot forward, and turtle dot forward, and then we're going to end that here, and then we're going to turn left. So turtle dot turn left, and we're going to do four left turns, remember that. And then we're going to repeat this again, that for loop, but we're adjusting now for the length, because once we go forward and then to the left, we're going to go lengthwise. All right, so for I equals comma 1 comma L -1, do the following, which is turtle dot dig in front dot turtle dot forward. Then we're going to end this, and we're going to repeat these actions 2 more times. The 4 and the 4 with the L and 4 with the W. Okay, so then we end that. And left turn here. Turtle dot turn left. Then we're going back to the W. So for I equals 1, comma, w negative 1, do total dot dig total dot forward, and then total dot turn left. Then we're going to do our movements in the lengthwise again, and we're going to do for I equals 1 comma L negative 1 do total dot dig in front of us, then total dot forward. And if you want me to do this step by step, I can create another video. Just let me know, because I know this is like a lot of code, and like you're more of a visual learner, so I can do it step by step if you want me to. So just let me know, okay? Then and then we're gonna total dot turn left, okay? And that should be pretty much it. So once you have your fourth turn left, you're all good here. Okay, so we're not adjusting yet with user input, we're choosing our own. So length and width are here. Variables, okay. And let's control save, control exit, and let's run this program. So it should dig down once and then go adjusting for the length. Here it's 3, so it would actually only dig 1, 2 in front of it, and then go 1, 2, 3, because we already took one out right here, and then we would have a 3 by 4 by 3 by 4 mode. All right, let's run this. Okay, we're done. It only did the second one. Oh no, okay. Oh, that's right. This one is 4. Okay, and that one is 3. Okay, so it worked. Nice. That is our, I guess, our, what's it called in here? That is our width, and then our length is this way. So okay, that's correct. Okay, let's delete this, and let's delete this right here, and we're going to create a bigger one with user input this time. So let's get rid of these two and do to number io.read. Remember, converting the strings to int values or numbers. And let's put print statements to ask the user what we want. So print width, and then print length. All right, control save. Now it should be adjustable because we're using variables here, remember? It's not hard coded. If we chose our variables at, like when we put w equals 4 and then just put like 4 here, that would be a hard coded variable. Well, when we're doing w equals and then an input and then putting the w here, we're having an adjustable variable. So take into account. If that's confusing, just let me know and I'll try to explain a little simpler. Sorry about that, but let's see. Then let's run the program. Right? So width, we want it to be 5 blocks that way, and then lengthwise the other way or to our left, we want it to be 6 blocks. So then press enter and it should run our code. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5. So then we created an adjustable length and width moat that goes along this way. Okay, cool. All right, so now that's the end of our video for creating moats, but take what you learned here and you can add, I guess, more adjustments or make them much bigger. Oh, okay. So one thing we could do, and actually I will for the next video, is let's say we want to make the length or the how what's it called, the depth on the sideways um, of the mode bigger. We can then rerun the code here, right? That we did for this one, and then just add +1 and then do it that way. We'll have to do some extra adjusting, but it's a good challenge. So why don't you try and let me know how it goes. All right, bye bug.